In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all projects in CapCut. If you've been using CapCut for a while, your recent projects list might be getting a bit cluttered. Whether you're looking to free up space, tidy up your workspace, or simply get rid of outdated edits, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to quickly and easily clear out unwanted projects. And if you're new to CapCut, don't worry. You'll find a link in the description to download the app and create an account so you can follow along. To start, open the CapCut app on your device and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Recent Projects section. This is where all your current edits are displayed, giving you an overview of everything you've worked on recently. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like 4 small squares arranged in a grid. Go ahead and tap on that. This action switches your project view into selection mode, which is key for deleting multiple projects at once. Think of it like turning your project list into a checklist. It makes selecting and managing multiple items much easier. Once you're in selection mode, tap on any one project to get started. This will activate the selection process, and you'll notice a label appear at the bottom of the screen that says "One Selected." This label is important because it keeps track of how many projects you've chosen so far. From here, continue tapping on additional projects you want to delete. Each time you select another project, the number in the selection label will increase, giving you a clear indication of how many projects you've chosen. This is especially helpful if you're cleaning up a large number of files and want to keep track of your progress. When you've selected all the projects you want to delete, tap on the selection label at the bottom of the screen. This will open up an action menu with options for what you can do with the selected projects. Among these options, choose Move to Trash. This step essentially prepares your projects for deletion, moving them out of your main workspace and into a temporary holding area. CapCut will then prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to make sure you don't accidentally delete something important. Take a moment here to double-check your selections. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Now, wait for the deletion process to complete. If you're deleting a large number of projects, this might take a few moments, so just be patient. CapCut will handle the rest. Once the process is finished, return to your Recent Projects screen to verify that the selected projects have been removed. Keep in mind that deleted projects may remain in the trash for a limited time, depending on CapCut's settings. This means you can restore them if you've made a mistake, so you don't need to worry about losing them permanently right away. And that's it. You've successfully cleared out unwanted projects in CapCut. So now you know exactly how to organize your workspace and keep your project list clutter-free. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.